Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, not rocket science, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is it's not very complicated. During the training session, the coach thinks about how to explain things to the team. It's really not rocket science. All we have to do is put the ball in the back of the net. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. Their phones went dead, so they had no satellite maps while driving. Let's just follow the road signs to get there. It's not rocket science. He is confident about losing weight. It's not rocket science. All I have to do is keep myself in a calorie deficit and enjoy the process. The kids are getting good at playing video games. It's not rocket science. We just kept practicing. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. The IT department explain how to fix the computer issue. All we need to do is reformat the hard drive. It's not rocket science. The team go over their next plan of action. Listen, it's not rocket science. If we rethink our strategy and go back to the beginning, we can iron out these mistakes. Management discussed the route to promotion with the team. It's not rocket science. If you apply yourself and excel in your role, you will put yourself in pole position for a promotion. Where did you hear the expression, not rocket science? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.